Hi, this is Santoshi Watham. I am a final year ME student. My department is CSE. My project title name is Design and Implementation of Data Sanitization Technique for Effective Filtering with Enhanced Medical Support System in Cloud Architecture Diagram. First, let me define the term sanitization. The sanitization is a technique for hiding or removing the sensitive term in a document before the document is available publicly, so that the document can be more widely available with security. In my project, I am using three sanitization techniques, that is entity generalization, entity sweeping, and noise addition. First, this is the lock and paste of the administrator. The administrator is a person who manually checks the documents of the doctor before creating his or her profile. The registration facility is used by the patient for his or her registration. This is the list of the persons, that is doctors or user, that is created by the administrator. The administrator can create a doctor profile using the create user facility. Here, patient name Albert enter his information using his passport and the username. Albert is provided with some facility, that is he can ask question or he can list the question he already asked, and he can search for any information that is related to medical terms. Here, Albert asks a question about the brain cancer. The question that is Albert asks is the causes of the brain cancer. Now, Albert log out. Another patient named Jude enters his information using his password and the username. The Jude is also provided with the same facility, that is he can ask question, he can search for any information related to medical terms. Here, Jude searches information about the brain cancer. All the information that is related to brain cancer and the cancer is provided. When Jude opened the brain cancer information, the question that Albert asked was the causes of the brain cancer. Now, when Jude opened that question, it turns into the causes of the brain condition or disease. The term cancer is substituted by the condition or disease because the term cancer is considered as sensitive in terms of medical terms. So, the term cancer is automatically substituted as condition or disease, so that this information can be more widely provided. Thank you.